modes of development. There are two modes of wave development: motive and corrective. Motive waves are composed of 5 waves, and they resolutely move the market in one direction. It can be said that when markets move from one price territory to another, they sport motive waves. Motive waves are also called impulses or fives. A motive wave is a fast price movement in the shortest possible time. Corrective waves, on the other hand, unfold in a 3-wave pattern and achieve only a partial retracement of the earlier wave. They are also called threes. They serve to put a pause to the price movement achieved by the motive wave. A corrective is the shortest possible price movement in the longest possible time. Both modes have very specific roles to play in the scheme of the market. Motive waves are labeled in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the corrective waves are labeled with alphabets A, B, and C.